Yo,
What's up?
So another day in Tabanan area today. It's a beautiful day. However, I think it's gonna be rainy soon.
Yeah, because it's rainy season today, and I mean in this month.
In
and,
general.
Yeah, so I was in my hometown, and then we just decided to go to one place in Tabanan, and I think this is one of the place which is hype nowadays in Tabanan. Desa Chau.
That's a chocolate.
Yeah, they promote it as the village, the chocolate village in Bali, which is in Tabanan. So we can see that surround still beautiful rice paddies, but unfortunately it's already harvested time. And then as you see that this place is just like the park, and then with the restaurant, and then with the chocolate factory.
Because maybe not many of you know, Bali is also famous about the production of chocolate in general. Like in the area of Tabanan, north part of Tabanan, there is also so many rice growing everywhere around, like Jatiluwih and stuff, but also chocolate. I
Yeah.
like chocolate. so
So yeah, in Bali actually, I think if I'm not mistaken, there are 3 chocolate companies, and this one is Chow Chocolate Companies, and then the second one is the Pot Chocolate Companies, and the third one is the Mason.
And there will be
Chocolate
actually
Company.
probably even few more, but very small ones. But these ones, they are chocolate what you can buy in the shop, like in the market, like Pepito or something on the shelf, right? There are 3 main companies, and this is the one of them.
So Damian's food is coming. Oh, look at that! What do you have, sayang?
Chicken curry, carrot ayam actually, it's called on the menu.
Looks so nice. And rice. All right, so this is how the ambience in the in the restaurant, and Damian decided to have his lunch. And yeah, silahkan.
Yes, please.
Oh wow, this is my chocolate is coming. Oh, makasih.
Thank you.
So, hey, don't steal my chocolate.
Ah, come on lah.
Oh, this is so good. So they have a raw chocolate, and this one is the chocolate pod. I'll show you. This one, the chocolate pod, and this one is the with the ice cream chocolate. Let's try. This one is the pod chocolate. Looks like this. I wanna try the original pod chocolate.
Looks pretty decent. Taste alright. Also nice. What is this?
This is the pod one.
Oh,
Oops.
oh,
So inside the cacao is the chocolate pod. So this one
Nice.
actually inside the pod, and they make the chocolate later on become like this.
very
This is
nice.
so nice. And I tried the ice cream. Hot chocolate is also nice. Okay, guys, so long time ago, I think that this place is famous for the European guests. I think that because last time I asked staff there, and they said that they was closed for few months due to pandemic, and then they opened for the local market, because long time ago they just sell the package for the tourists, and they cooperate with the travel agent. And unfortunately, because since the pandemic there are no tourists coming to Bali, so they just open it with the local market, and then they open with the children playground, and then with the education for the children, something like that. And also this place is famous for the Ubudian, for the yogis people who wants to have the chocolate kirtan ceremony, like the chocolate ceremony. I don't know, I never been there. I mean, like, I never joined the chocolate ceremony, but yeah, they said that the people, the tourists who come from Ubud, they normally come here. They have a private ceremony, private events for the chocolate ceremony. But yeah, this is how it is nowadays. They just market it for the locals.
So, as Vinny said, simply they just trying to survive during the hard situation. They're doing chocolate, so everybody loves chocolate. You can comment below if you like chocolate, or maybe somehow you don't like chocolate, because actually I know somebody personally who don't like chocolate. But yeah, you can comment below, you can let us know. Meanwhile, we're gonna enjoy, and we're gonna show you something also very interesting in the area after that. Alright, so we are now in Margarana National Monument. This is the historical landmark. In shortly, Nura Ray is here buried, and this is his monument. And also 1372 soldiers buried around here in this park. What they have fight through
Dutch colonialism long time ago, because based on the Indonesian history, Dutch colonialized Indonesia around 350 years. And in this monument, like you know, the place where Ngurah Rai is buried. So Ngurah Rai is the Bali hero, and if you heard about the name Ngurah Rai, we have in Bali Ngurah Rai Airport. So here is the Ngurah Rai where he buried.
Exactly. So that's actually quite sad place, but we decide to show you. Also, this is the special request for some couple from Western Australia, Perth. This is for you. I hope so. You enjoy. So here is like actually huge park, and also this is the museum. Unfortunately, due to the current situation, is closed. And next to the museum is like cemetery place. Actually, this is like where the memorial statue, could say, is for every single person who died during the battle. And well, these trees are actually quite big also. All right, so that's how it is. We come here actually specially to this place to make a request. This was actually a long time. We try time to time to make a request whatever you have, and if it's possible, obviously. It's going to be very rainy soon because I already can hear the thunders, right? And anyway, this is like a cemetery place, so I feel like
Well, it's just like the memorial place, landmark, something like that. And it was busy, I think, when it was November, 20 November, there is a celebration here. But yeah.
But unfortunately, we couldn't come on 20 November. Anyway.
That's all our video today, guys, from Tabanan. I think, yeah, that's for today. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow.
See ya,
Bye.
take care.